Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you do not have your passcode or your PIN code, maybe you've forgotten it or whatever, and you're locked out of your phone, you can do this. It will bypass and remove the PIN code. Bad news is it will also remove everything else, all your apps, photos, contacts, everything, and your phone will turn on like a brand new phone. But if that's cool with you, we can go ahead and get started. It's very simple. From our phone being off, we're gonna just go ahead and press the power and volume down button. Just push and hold it simultaneously until the phone turns on. And it will turn on with a screen like this. And from here, we're going to use the volume buttons to kind of toggle through this menu that says start right now. And we'll toggle through it until we get to, it says recovery mode. And when it says recovery mode, we'll hit the power button to confirm it. And once you hit the power button to confirm it, it will go through a little cycle and it will open up with a screen that says no command and the little fallen over robot on it. And when you get to that screen, you're just going to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. You'll just hit it once, and that will open up the recovery mode. From there, using the volume keys, we will go down our menu. We can scroll down the menu, and to wipe data factory reset, you'll hit the power button to confirm it. And when you get that, you'll get to a confirmation screen. Again, you'll toggle to factory data reset and hit the power button, keeping in mind that once you hit this power button and there's no going back, everything will be wiped off the phone. Everything will be deleted. Once that goes through that process, you can hit the Reboot System Now button, and your phone will start up like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.